How to request an early check-in on booking.com. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go out quick and easy and how you can request early check-in on booking.com. Well, to request an early check-in on booking.com, you should contact the property owner directly, ideally 1 to 2 days before your arrival. You can find the property's contact information in your booking confirmation. So to do so, you can head over now on web browser on booking.com. Make sure you log into your account and head into your profile picture, click on it, and then click on bookings and trips options. From here, you'll get your list of bookings here. You can click on it and you can proceed to check out the contact number. If you can't find a booking, you can click on can't find booking and enter in the confirmation number and PIN code and proceed to manage booking where you'll be able to find the contact number. Alternatively, you may be able to specify your estimated check-in time during the booking process or manage your booking online to request a different check-in time. However, early check-in is not guaranteed and some properties may charge extra for it, so you might want to confirm, as I mentioned before, with the property owner. Hope this video helped you to like and subscribe as well.